Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Enoch. Now, you may have a site like this, a WordPress website like this. For example, this we created in our previous tutorial. And there are two ways to log into a WordPress website. One, let me just copy this, just for the sake of redoing it. One is by typing in a slash right here. Then you say WP hyphen admin. Then this will redirect you to the login page. Okay, or alternatively, what you can do if you have to go back is to put a slash, then just say login. Okay, so in case someone attempts to hack your website or try to get in and get access to your website, they will use these links at the end of your domain. Okay, but that's not secure enough, and there is a way to change this link so that any hacker or any normal person wouldn't know how to access your website, because by default this is how WordPress websites are set up. Yeah, once you put in such links at the end of your domain, it leads you to this login page. Okay, let's take an example. For example, there are sites, for example, NASA is designed by WordPress. Yeah, it's built on WordPress. So if you go to nasa.gov and try to put on, for example, a slash, then you say WP hyphen admin, I remove that and try to hit enter. It's gonna tell you that access to this site is restricted, blah 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 blah. And yeah, there's a way they handled that you don't use this link of the WP admin or WP login to access the website. Okay, now I'm going to show you the same thing on your website, whereby if someone comes and attempts to log into your website, they will display a different error. Okay, yeah, so let me log in to my website. So I'll say login, and it should log me in. Now what you're going to do once you're logged, we're going to go to the plugin section, scroll down to your left and go to plugins. Then I'll cancel that. We go back to plugins and click on add new. Then we are going to search for a plugin called WPS hide login. And as you see right here, this is a plugin, has 1 million people using it on their website, which is really cool. So I'm going to hit install. Then I'm going to click activate. And once it's activated, I'm going to scroll down to where it is and I'm going to click on settings. So when you go to settings, it's going to lead you to this page. And what you have to do is to change this to something like another link name that you can probably remember. For example, if I'm to say, for example, login, I do maybe a hyphen or admin, something like, well, maybe admin for something like this, then this is the link that I'm going to be using. Okay, so once I click save changes, okay, probably if I'm to go into the incognito window and try to access this website, yeah, let me go to the incognito window. So I'll paste in the website name that I'm trying to access. So it's this. Then I'm gonna do, for example, WP admin. Yeah, so when I try to access a WP admin, it's gonna redirect to, oh, this page cannot be found. Okay, and what is redirecting to is the hold on just a second, it's the 404 error that is by default. I'm gonna show you a way to change this to maybe a different message. Okay, so what we're gonna do to log in, right, we are gonna go to our link that we said. Maybe it was, if I remember correctly, it was login admin. I'll verify that, login admin 4. So you should really set something that you can remember. Okay, then I'm gonna hit enter. Then it should redirect me to the login page where I can log into my website. Okay, so I can still log in, and I think my email, I still remember it, I mean the password. So I'm gonna click login, and I'm straight back into the dashboard. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and a sub to the channel will be really great. And if you can share this or like and share it with a friend, that also be great. Yeah, catch you on the next one.